A look back. Read the story to find out the kind of show Ben works on. This is great! Hurry, Ben, and sit down to watch this tape of last year's show. Your part is almost on, said Robert. Ben was feeling his way into the dark room when he bumped into Ling, the show's producer, who turned and smiled. Welcome back from vacation, Ben. It's good to see you and the rest of the cast and crew. We just started watching the tape. Hi, everybody, whispered Ben, as he found a place to sit facing the screen in the front of the room. He focused his eyes and saw Cindy and Robert on the screen. They were the hosts on a half-hour children's show called Just for Openers. They also did the science parts of the show. Ben started to watch the tape. Robert and Cindy were finishing a report on rain clouds. Do you recognize that kid? Asked Kim, one of the cast members, as the tape continued. He sure looks like me, said Ben, laughing. He saw himself up on the screen doing a report for his part of the show, called Ben the Traveler. The show was about places and people that children would like to visit. For this program, Ben was on location. He was in Michigan at a special kind of camp, Ling said. Everyone's attention was back on the screen. Ben was introducing the show. The National Music Camp is a special kind of camp. The campers are artists, dancers, and musicians. They range in age from 8 years old to college age. Their days are filled with projects that help them improve their skills in the arts. There is time to practice and learn. There is also time just to play. The background tape on the screen changed as Ben continued. The campers were now seen climbing into boats and playing softball. The National Music Camp offers just what these campers want. This is Ben the Traveler saying goodbye from Michigan. Hold the applause, please, Ben said. Everyone blinked as the lights came back on. Ling stood and said, I thought it would help us if we saw a tape of one of last year's shows. Then we can talk about the shows for this year. I'm sure you all have some good ideas to share. I'm ready to get started, said Ben. This is going to be the best year ever.